Hi, welcome back to another video. Today we're exploring the amazing Pink Lake in Gatineau, Quebec. Even though it's called Pink Lake, the water is actually green. The name comes from the Pink family, who settled here in the 1800s. What makes this lake so special is that it's meromictic. Its upper and lower layers of water never mix. This rare condition allows unique algae to grow. Giving the water its striking green color. Because of its fragile ecosystem, swimming and fishing aren't allowed. But you can enjoy the stunning views along the 2.5 km trail that circles the lake. It's truly one of Gatineau Park's hidden gems. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos, and thanks for watching.